How to delete contacts and messages from Telegram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete contacts and messages from Telegram. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So the first step is open up your Telegram. After you open up your Telegram, just go to any contact that you want to delete. So scroll and there we go. Let me just delete this. So tap on their profile on the top and then tap on edit option on the top right. After you tap on it, you can see the delete contact option. Simply tap on it and tap on delete contact again to confirm the deletion of the contact. After you've deleted the contact, you can simply delete the chat or DM by just going back here and simply swiping right and tapping on delete. You can delete the contact for both of your sides, so choose any one of those and then delete it. And that's how simple it is, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.